This video will demonstrate how to assemble the 900-30 Ashanti two-tier chandelier. These are some of the tools that you'll be needing: screwdrivers, pliers, wire strippers. First, we're going to remove the primary ring of the chandelier. You can organize the parts as you remove things from the box. First, we're going to connect the rod that it goes above the primary middle ring. We'll need to remove the central section of that part and remove a nut and washer at the bottom and thread it through the middle ring connecting point. The central pipe will screw in to the middle section, as you see there. Next, you can tighten the respective connection. Prepare the wiring. Reattach the primary stem of the chandelier. Next, we're going to attach the wiring at the base where the connecting point is. You could use the wire strippers as necessary to expose the filament, which you will attach to the positive and negative lines. You use the included orange caps and electrical tape to secure the connection. Put that wire underneath the tube. Reattach the associated hardware to the top of the middle stem, which is the cap there. The middle ring gets attached, simply threading through the wires. Next, the second tier, the same procedure, removing the middle stem that houses the wiring. That level has the extra wire that'll go up to the ceiling to connect the main line. thread through the connecting point, the wiring for the chandelier underneath. Remove the top loop. There's a small screw attaching it to the central pipe. Reattach the tube. Attach the top ring of the chandelier, threading the wire through, replacing it with the connecting cap. Top loop gets connected next. And of course screws on there, and then you can tighten it with the screwdriver and reattach the small side screw to it. Next we're going to look at the ceiling wiring and attaching the crossbar for the canopy. First we need to get the screws for the crossbar, which will already be put into the junction box at your home apartment. The screws will join the crossbar to the junction box. Attach the canopy and the loop underneath. Next we'll put the chain with the link extension, which opens and closes, and hang the chandelier to that. Look at the bottom tier of the chandelier. There's a central pipe that screws into the middle of the chandelier. Attach the tube and the 3-tier bottom ring with the associated hardware. The bottom finial will twist into the tube above, and you could use pliers to tighten the connection. Next we'll look at connecting the wiring. You can loosen the canopy, put the chandelier wiring up through the canopy and join it with the house wiring. Strip off the wire where necessary to expose the filament and connect the positive and negative and the grounding wire. Reattach all with the cap and electrical tape. Reconnect the canopy. Tighten the loop nut lock. Review the crystal. Attach it. Thank you.